I've never heard that before. I don't think that the research you do is going to be useful or useful as quickly as it is the case at InstaDeep. My name is Thomas. I'm a staff research scientist at InstaDeep. I think when I took the interviews, there were one full-time person in Paris, and by the time I joined, we were maybe 6 in Paris and 25 in total in the company. Leading the research teams in Boston and Paris, and we are building foundation models for biology. It's very important for the visibility of the company, also to attract the best talents. It happened already many times that people are actually joining the team because they saw one of our papers and they wanted to contribute. But it's also important to attract new customers, also to convince them of our expertise. So for instance, the research team is very often helping the BD teams on calls to kind of showcase our capabilities. The published research is kind of really a testimony of the quality of the work we do. The nucleotide transfer is a model for genomics. You can think as ChatGPT, that's a model that's been trained on a lot of English that you can find on the web. The nucleotide transformer has been trained in kind of the same way, but on all the genomes. So the same way that kind of ChatGPT is going to try to understand what would be the next words in a sentence, the nucleotide transformer is trying to understand what's going to be the next chunk of nucleotides in the genome of someone. And so that's a very important tool to understand how the genome works, and how we can then use this understanding to understand disease or even to design vaccines. What I really love is that we do research, we do cutting research, like for instance the nucleotide transformer, but then we directly use that to actually create value for customers. And for instance, all the research we did with the nucleotide transfer, or even more recent papers, are a very good example. For instance, there's been a paper that we just released. It's not even peer-reviewed yet. We just released the paper 1 month ago, and it's already been applied in missions internally, but we already have customers even asking us to kind of deploy that on their product. One amazing opportunity is to have the chance to work with lots of diverse colleagues, experts in biology, experts in bioinformatics, have the chance to meet the people who actually created the vaccine, but also to work in a very good environment. People are very nice, very friendly, very open. You can reach out to anyone. And also the technical quality of what we do is pretty amazing. I think in terms of technical stack, of the software we have, so the hardware we have access to, given the size of the company, is pretty amazing.